Excavation. HexaBase should extend 6 inches beyond the finished edges of the project. Excavate those additional 6 inches on each side of the project, with exception to the foundations. On this installation, we over-excavated to incorporate additional landscaping. Calculate total depth of excavation needed by adding the height of the pavers, 2 inches for the HexaBase, and 5/8 to 3/4 inch for bedding sand after compaction. Make sure the native soil is level along a structure or foundation and properly sloped away from these points. Prepare native soil. Compact native soil with overlapping passes using a plate compactor. In addition, be sure to compact perpendicular to the original direction as well. Screed and check heights to ensure proper slope and recompact. Roll out SRW separation fabric over prepared area. SB3 or NW4 works well for this. Allow edges to run up the sides 2 inches. Overlap fabric 12 to 18 inches at the seams. Pull fabric tight, removing all wrinkles and secure with staples as needed. Installation. Lay panels over entire prepared area, locking each panel together. Trim any panels around the edges to correct size using a handsaw or similar tool. Pro tip: the easiest way to cut the panels is using a 7-inch circular saw with a SRW general purpose diamond blade. Pro tip: to ensure HexaBase doesn't shift during installation, hammer a few landscaping staples into the cells. Use 3/4 inch minus base material and slightly overfill panel cells. Pro tip: using a bow rake flipped upside down to fill the cells, this will leave the cells slightly overfilled, offering better compaction. Use plate compactor in several directions to compact the base material into the cells. Refill sections as necessary with base material. Repeat compaction until cells are completely full. Check for proper slope when you're finished. Place 1-inch screed pipes or rails directly on the panels and spread bedding sand over them. Bedding sand under concrete pavers should conform to ASTM C33 or CSA A23.1. Carefully screed bedding sand using a straight board to a uniform thickness across entire area. Install paved surface according to manufacturer recommendations. Pro tip: before installing paver rail edging, use a flat shovel and pull excess bedding sand away from edge. The paver rail should sit flat on the HexaBase. Drive spikes every 12 inches through the edging and the HexaBase cells. Compact pavers to set overall height prior to installation of Z3 polymeric sand. This step will lower patio height up to 3/8 of an inch. When installing polymeric sand, follow SRW's PaverMate Z3 instructions by first spreading the sand, sweeping off the excess, compact, reapply sand, sweep, set joint height with a leaf blower, activate sand, and blow off excess water. Contact an SRW sales representative for more information on HexaBase.